How to take care of a parrot. A complete guide. Parrots are intelligent, social, and affectionate birds that require proper care, attention, and an enriched environment to stay healthy and happy. Whether you own an African grey, Budgie, Macaw, Cockatiel, or any other species, this detailed guide will help you understand how to take care of a parrot properly. 1. Choosing the right cage and setup. A parrot's cage is its home, so it must be spacious, comfortable, and safe. Cage size placement. The cage should be large enough for the parrot to spread its wings and move freely. For small parrots, like Budgies, a minimum of 18 by 18 inches is required. Larger parrots, like Macaws, need at least 36 by 48 inches. Bar spacing. Choose a cage with appropriately spaced bars to prevent the parrot from getting stuck. Small birds need a 1/2 inch bar spacing, while larger parrots need a 3/4 to 1 inch bar spacing. Cage material. Stainless steel cages are the best option as they are durable and safe. Avoid cages with lead-based paint or toxic coatings. Placement. Keep the cage in a quiet yet social area of the house, like the living room. Avoid direct sunlight, drafts, air conditioners, and kitchen fumes. Teflon cookware can be deadly for birds. Cage accessories. Perches. Use different sized natural wood perches, like manzanita or bamboo, to prevent foot problems. Toys. Parrots need mental stimulation, so provide chew toys, ropes, bells, and puzzle toys. Food. Water bowls. Use stainless steel or ceramic bowls that are easy to clean. 2. Providing a healthy and balanced diet. Parrots need a variety of foods to stay healthy. A poor diet can lead to serious health problems. Best foods for parrots. AO pellets, 60 to 70% of the diet. A well-balanced pellet diet provides essential nutrients. AO fresh fruits, vegetables, 20 to 30%. Apples, bananas, carrots, bell peppers, spinach, and broccoli are excellent. Wash all fruits and vegetables properly. Seeds, nuts, 10%. Sunflower seeds, almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds should be given as occasional treats. Cooked grains, legumes. Brown rice, quinoa, lentils, and chickpeas are great sources of protein. Foods to avoid. Toxic for parrots. Avocados. Chocolate. Caffeine, tea, coffee. Alcohol. Salty or sugary foods. Onion, garlic. Water needs. Provide fresh, clean water daily. Change water at least twice a day to avoid bacteria growth. Avoid tap water with chlorine. Use filtered or boiled water. 3. Socialization and interaction. Parrots are highly social birds and need daily interaction with their owners. Without proper socialization, they can become depressed and develop behavioral problems. How to socialize with your parrot. Talk to them daily. Parrots love human interaction and can even mimic words. Spend time outside the cage. Allow them to roam in a bird-proofed area. Train them with positive reinforcement. Use treats, praise, and toys to encourage good behavior. Let them interact with family members. This helps prevent other attachment to just one person. Signs of a happy parrot. Active and playful. Responds to your voice. Flaps wings and sings. Eats well and enjoys toys. Signs of a stressed parrot. Excessive screaming. Biting or aggression. Feather plucking. Loss of appetite. 4. Training and mental stimulation. Parrots are intelligent and need mental stimulation to stay happy. Training tips. Start with basic commands like step up, onto your finger, and step down. Use treats and praises as rewards for good behavior. Keep training sessions short, 5-10 minutes, but consistent. Games and enrichment. Puzzle toys. Hide treats for them to find. Play music or videos for stimulation. Let them mimic words and sounds. 5. Grooming and hygiene. Proper hygiene keeps your parrot healthy and comfortable. Bathing. Parrots love water. Give them a shallow bowl or mist them with the spray bottle. Some parrots prefer to bathe in leaves or wet paper towels. Beak and nail care. Provide cuddle bones and natural wood perches to keep their beak trimmed. Trim overgrown nails using a bird nail clipper, or visit a vet. Cage cleaning routine. Daily, change food, water, and clean droppings. Weekly, wash perches, toys, and cage bars. Monthly, deep clean the entire cage with bird-safe disinfectant. 6. Preventing and handling health issues. Parrots can hide signs of illness, so regular checkups and observation are crucial. Common parrot health problems: A. Feather plucking. A. Due to stress, boredom, or malnutrition. A. Respiratory issues. A. Caused by dust, poor ventilation, or fumes. A. Diarrhea or watery droppings. A. Can indicate an infection or poor diet. A. Loss of appetite or weakness. A. sign of illness that needs urgent vet attention. How to keep your parrot healthy: A. Provide a nutritious diet. A. Give them fresh air and sunlight, but not too much direct sun. A. Schedule annual vet checkups with an avian specialist. A. Keep their environment clean and stress-free. 7. Sleep and rest requirements. Parrots need 10-12 hours of sleep every night. How to ensure proper sleep: Cover the cage with a breathable cloth at night. Keep them in a quiet, dark room for undisturbed rest. Avoid loud noises, TV, music, talking, after bedtime. Conclusion: taking care of a parrot is a long-term commitment that requires love, patience, and proper care. By providing a healthy diet, a safe environment, mental stimulation, and regular health checkups, you can ensure that your parrot lives a long, happy, and active life.